In this video, we learn image formation by convex lens. By the end of this video, we can learn image formation by convex lens. For doing these experiments, required material are convex lens, V-stand, candle and a screen. How we can find the focal length of the convex lens? Keep lens in V-stand and arrange the screen, lens in V-stand, candle in a straight line. Take the candle very far distance to the lens. Slowly move the screen and observe the point size image on the screen. Now the point size image is appeared. In this position, the distance between optic center P and focus is called focal length. Here the focal length is 12 centimeters. Note the optic center as P. The focal length of the lens is 12 centimeters. So mark points at 12 centimeters and 24 centimeters left side of the optic center and name them as F1 and 2F1. Here 2F1 is also called as C1. Similarly, mark on 12 centimeters, 24 centimeters other side of the optic center. Name them as F2 and 2F2. Here 2F2 is also called C2. Now we will observe the sixth condition for objectives and images. The six conditions are: number 1, object is at infinity distance. Number 2, object is beyond 2F2. Number 3, object is at center of curvature or 2F2. Object is between 2F2 and F2. 5. Object is on F2 or focal point. Number 6. Object is between F2 and optic center. First condition, object is placed at infinity distance. The light rays came from infinity distance and falls on lens after refraction. It forms an image on F1, that is on focus. Observe the nature of image. The image is real image and point size image and inverted image. We can calculate focal length of this lens. The distance between optic center and focus is called focal length. For this lens, the focal length is 12 centimeters. Observe here. Object is at beyond 2F2. Now the image is formed between F1 and 2F1. The nature of image is: number 1, real image. Number 2, inverted image. Number 3, diminished image. That means small image. Object is on 2F2 or center of curvature. Now the image is formed on 2F1. The nature of image is real image, inverted image, same in size image. Object is between 2F2 and F2. Now the image is formed beyond 2F1. The nature of image is real image, inverted image, enlarged image. Enlarged means very big in size image. Fifth condition, object is placed on F2 or focal point. Now the image is formed at infinity distance. The nature of image is, it is real image, inverted image and highly enlarged image. Object is placed between F2 and optic center. We cannot obtain the image on screen. We can see the image in lens only. The image is formed on the same side of the lens. Nature of image. It is virtual image, erected image, enlarged image. Once again, we will do for all 6 conditions the experiment now. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe and comment on my channel. Thank you for watching this video.